Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Facebook story not showing. So if you encounter this error on your Facebook app, like the story not opening. So here, in order to fix this issue, you need to close your Facebook app and try to clear the cache. You can hold this Facebook app icon, and then you can go to the storage usage and you can clear the cache. So this will free up some space, or free up or by clearing some junk files. And also, yeah, you need to clear the data. You may consider to clear your data, but you need to relog in into your Facebook account. So after that, you can open your Facebook app, and if the story still not showing, you can try to update your Facebook. You can open the Play Store and search for Facebook app, this one. So here, tap on Facebook app, and here you can try to update your Facebook app. So as you can see, I already updated, so there is no update button here. But if there is a update button in here, you can try to update it. So after the update, please reopen your Facebook and see if the story is show or not. You can tap one of the story, or you can create your story. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.